Good morning, 7th grade. This is your English teacher Dana from Ru'al Farouk Academy. Today we are going to complete the last thing of simple past and past continuous by answering the questions on workbook page 15. So please prepare your books and be ready for our class. So, in our lesson today, students should be able to revise the simple past and past continuous, then we will answer the questions on workbook page 15. Let's start with question number 1, page 15. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Use the past simple. So, we have these verbs: slide, be, rise, take, know, want, sell, stand, and go. In past simple, we have to change these verbs into verb past. Excellent. What is the verb past of slide? This is slid. Be, was or were. Rise, rose. Take, took. Know, knew. Want, wanted. Sell, sold. Stand, stood. And go, went. But please, my student, be careful. If we want to make a negative sentence, we have to use infinitive verb. Yes, excellent. So we don't change the verb into verb to, because we use did not in the sentence. So, number 1, Philip, that man, a thief. So the answers: Philip knew that the man was a thief. Number 2, the man among the tourists. The man what? Yes, stood among the tourists. Here we want to negate the sentence, anyone to recognize him. He didn't, excellent, want anyone to recognize him. Number 4, nobody what any notice of him. Took, excellent. The man suddenly a slim camera from his pocket. This is slid. Every day Philip's cousin what newspapers in the square. This is sold. Fumes from the buses what into the air. The verb to of rise is rose. Philip, we have not, so we both did. Excellent. Philip didn't go to the football match that afternoon. These are the answers. Now, question number 2. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Use the past continuous. What is the form of past continuous? Yes, was or were plus verb ing. Fly, glisten, look, bustle, sell, click, wear, and enjoy. The square with visitors. This is singular, so we have to use was, bustling, excellent. This is a question. They, the warm weather. So here we want to use were, excellent, because we have a plural pronoun, then the verb ing, enjoying. The cameras, this is plural, so we're clicking. What? This is a question. What? Philip's cousin. This is a singular noun, so what was Philip's cousin selling? The thief. What? A disguise. So the thief, this is a singular, so was wearing. The police, what? Everywhere for this man. Yes, we're looking. A flag, this is singular, was flying above the entrance to the bank. The marble fountain was glistening in the sunlight. Now the last question. Complete the sentences with the verbs in brackets. Use the past simple and the past continuous. Did you remember the key words that we use in past continuous? Excellent. They are when and while. After when, we have to use verb to, and after while, we have to use verb ing. Look at the first one. When Philip the square, he a crowd of tourists. We have two verbs here, enter and see. But remember, see is a stative verb, so we don't put ing for this verb. So the answer is when Philip, we have when here, so we have to use past simple. When Philip entered, excellent, the square, what he saw, a crowd of tourists. So is a stative verb, so we can't use this verb in continuous tense, and these two actions are short, so we have to use simple past in each sentence. Number 2, while Philip, we have while here, so while Philip, excellent, was watching the tourists, the first sentence is in continuous tense, and because we have while here, so the second sentence is in the simple past. Noticed the thief. Number 3, the thief with the tourists when Philip, what him. So when, after when we use simple past, and before it we have to use the past continuous. So the thief was mingling with the tourists when Philip spotted him. We double the letter T because it preceded by O, the vowel sound. While he, we have why, so past continuous. While he was photographing the fountain, he suddenly what? Pointed, excellent, his camera at the bank. Number 5, Philip, what that the man suspiciously. We have two verbs, think and behave. Philip, what? Think is a stative verb, so thought, excellent. Philip thought that the man was behaving, excellent. Number 6, when the thief suddenly, when, what, ran, yes, away, Philip decided, excellent, to follow him. Why we use decided here? Because it's from the stative verbs, and these two sentences are short actions. Number 7, perhaps the man that Philip, what him. We have know and watch, so perhaps the man knew that Philip was watching him. The last one, the thief what? Escape from the boy who, him. We have try and follow, so the thief tried to escape from the boy who was following him. Why we use tried verb to here, and here we use the past continuous? Because the thief tried to escape from the boy. What? This is the short action. Who was following him? This is what? The long action. That's it for today. Write the answers on your workbook and be ready for the next class.